Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Of course, in today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to reset your storage on your smart TV. This is a smart TV, it's a JVC TV, should also apply in general to other similar TVs. It might be set up a little bit different than yours, but in general should be roughly the same. So follow along to figure out how to do this on your particular TV set. Alright, so go ahead and get your handy remote. You see here, this is my JVC TV remote. Alright, so here you're gonna hit menu. Once you hit menu guys, it's gonna bring up the options menu here. You can move through the options on screen. What you're gonna do guys, you're gonna select settings. Alright, so once you do, you'll see the settings over here. There's other ways to get here as well, so let me show you alternative method. You could also go through home, which is gonna bring up the smart TV menu. You can select settings here, or you can go into apps and go to the settings. So all of them bring you to the same place. It's the main settings. Alright, so we're gonna move over. As you can see down there, we have selected setting. You're gonna hit OK. Alright, so once you're here guys, go to storage and reset. So as you can see here, let me zoom in. Alright, so once you're on storage and reset, you'll notice that this has to do with your storage. If we go ahead guys, you should see the entire storage of the TV set right here, which indicates that it's 8 gigabytes total, 5.1 is being used. I can do a reset or I can do a factory data reset. Now reset is going to reset the storage, factory data reset is going to wipe the entire TV and return it to a fresh condition, as in the case that you took it freshly out of the box, meaning all your apps, if you factory and data reset, will be erased. Everything that you have ever installed on the TV will be erased as well. So you want to think carefully before doing this, especially the factory data reset, as it's going to wipe everything. So be aware that once you do a reset, that's what's going to happen in general. Alright, so if you want to, you can go ahead and select factory data reset to wipe everything. This is a great way of restarting your TV and setting everything back to its default. So as you see here guys, factory data reset is going to wipe, it's the only option. It's going to wipe everything. Those 8 gigabytes is going to be freed up, and of course you'll have all the internal storage as if the device is new. Do not attempt this if you do not want to lose your apps that you have installed. You'll be logged out of everything, so it's a good idea to think carefully before proceeding. You can use this feature to also fix issues with your TV. Maybe over time you have installed a lot of apps, you've been using your TV for years and it's giving a lot of issues, and you want to reset it and start afresh. So there are many reasons to do this, so think carefully before proceeding. So once you are okay, go ahead and hit OK. You're going to confirm, it's going to erase the TV. I'm not going to do this right now. I'm showing you where to find the option and how to proceed about erasing your TV set. In other words, how to wipe the device storage or reset the device storage. Alright guys, this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, basically showing you to reset your smart TV or JVC TV. Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye.